Okay, so we're still walking up to the waterfall, and let's see what's up ahead. That's behind. You can hear it. Keep my eye on the road. Oh, there it is. A little bit scared of slipping. It is kind of steep. I admit it. There's a okay, so the water comes from Batu Mountain. Wait, what? So the waterfall is that way. Oh crap! I thought that was a waterfall. So we still haven't reached the waterfall. We're gonna walk that direction towards the waterfall. Oh, cool! I can hear it. I can hear the water. That's a nice one. Picking up on the waterfall. It's cool. Extremely cool. I definitely recommend visiting this spot. There's a little of a trek, but again, totally worth it.